it's easier because you just slide the whole way. Yeah, and you die.
I don't die, just break a few bones.
Break a few bones.
Yeah, you might break a vital bone though.
I don't have any insurance right now, so try not to do that.
How you guys like it so far?
One more foot. One more foot. One more foot. Bring it up one more foot. One more foot is smooth sailing.
Okay, this is crazy. This is where we're coming from. Come, slide down.
Leave down there so it's rock.
Oh my god.
Are you coming?
I'm trying.
It's so steep. Oh my god.
Go down to the street. What's the street?
Come, Phil. Come on, Phil. Let me see you.
Who would not want to do that to reach class?
To reach class. You're 10. You can't walk this down. Okay, this is where we are. And that's where we're going. Oh my god. Go, Simpson. Oh shit. This is... Oh my... Yeah, you want to move.